Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the live class. Yesterday we have discussed the features which were created by the river. Is it? In that I have told you all how different features such as the meanders, oxbow lake, delta as well as the floodplains are created by the river. Now we are going to discuss landform created by the waves. Landform the different landforms which are created by the sea waves, that are the sea caves, second one is the sea arc, third one is the stalk, sea cliff, and sea breaches. So first one, sea caves. My dear students, we are well aware that there are many mountain ranges which are found into the sea. So by the action of the waves, the process of erosion took place. Yesterday I told you about the erosion, weathering as well as the sedimentation. In the erosion I had told you all how by the action of the water or by the action of the wind, uppermost layer of the topsoil is being created. So same thing happened in case of the sea caves. The mountain ranges which are present into the ocean and sea, by the proper movement of the waves, erosion process took place, and because of that erosion process, cave-like structures are found within the mountains that are known as the sea caves. Second one is given sea arc. Sometimes erosion process of the sea wave is too much high. Because of that high erosion process, arc-like structure, arc means we can say opposite U type of structure is being created. This is the sea arc. Next one is given stalk. What happens in case of stalk? Stalk means we can say any shape similar to the pole. Because of the maximum erosion activities, stalk or pole-like structure is being created, or like the trunk of the tree. That is also a notable feature which is created by the erosion activity of the waves. Sea cliff. Sea cliff is created by the erosion activities also. In case of the sea cliff, any mountain range which is submerged into the ocean or the sea, its areas being cut off and create cliff-like structure. Cliff means slope-like structure. Last one is the sea beaches. My dear students, till now I told, because of the erosion activities, these all structures are created by the waves. But the sea beach is not created by the erosion. It is created by the deposition work. What happens in case of the deposition? Sands, particles which are present into the ocean and sea, by the movement of the waves, they are carried to the corner area or they are carried to the bank area or coastal area and create beaches. Knowing the beach? Beach is a nearby coastal area of the sea or the ocean which is of the tourist attraction. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some features which are formed by the ice. Landforms created by ice. By the ice also various landforms are being created, that are the glacier, another is the glacier moraines. Now what is glacier and what is glacial moraines? My dear students, I told you all about the glacier yesterday. What is glacier? A slow moving river of the ice is known as the glacier. So it is created by the ice. When slow fall occur on a larger quantity into the high altitude area, mostly the mountains, huge deposit of the ice remain there for a longer time, and because of the extreme cold temperature they turn into the glaciers. These glaciers also make the movement, but the movement of the glaciers are so much slow that we hardly feel it. Okay, another is the glacial moraines. Glacial moraines means, for understanding purpose we can say, the mountain of the glacier. Some great depressions took place in the glaciers and gave rise to the glacial moraines. Now another is given, features made by the wind. In that, mushroom rock, and sand dune. One more is given, that is the loess. So first one, mushroom rock. In the photograph which is given in the book, you can see that this is the structure of the rock which is similar to the mushroom. This structure of the rock is mostly created by the erosional work of the wind. Now one thing you can be thinking, that sir, while the erosion activity of the wind took place only to this area, while upper portion is not being eroded. So my dear students, you are knowing that as much near we will be to the surface of the earth, that much air molecules will be present in the air. And as we will go higher and higher in the atmosphere, the presence of the air molecules will decrease. So this is the downward side of that rock. That's why, because of the presence of the more air molecules, these are being eroded a lot. But in the upper portion, there is the less molecules of the air, That's why erosion process is very, very less. That's why such type of mushroom rock-like structures are being created. Now another is the sand dune. Sand dunes are mostly visible into the desert regions. As we are knowing, the particles of the sand are loosely packed. So when air blew with great speed, maximum amount of the sand particles are transported from one place and deposited to the another place. They make a hollow and depressed type of structure from the area where erosion starts and create a mound type of structure, means higher structure in the area where that sand particles are deposited. So this is the sand dune. Sand dunes are mostly of the two shapes, longitudinal dune, which will be like this. This is the longitudinal sand dune, and another will be the crescent sand dune. That will be similar to the sea. This is the crescent sand dune. First one is the longitudinal. Now another is given loess. When the lighter weight of the fine rain particles or fine soil particles are eroded from one place and later on that is accumulated to the another place, they give or they form the structure like the loess. Now another is given earthquake preparation or earthquake preparedness. My students, in this chapter only we discussed about a natural disaster earthquake. We are also aware that earthquake can't be predicted. In spite of being such a great advanced technology with the human beings, still humans are unable to predict the earthquake. That's why for the protection of the earthquake, we have to be safe. So now we are going to see some measures which should be followed by us, by which we can be saved during the earthquake disaster. So first, safe spot. As you experience the tremor or the shook of the earthquake, try to get under a safe place. That safe place can be a table, can be a shelf, can be any other object. In case if you are not in the home, you are outside, then try to go away from the electrical wires, electrical poles, as well as the tree. Second one is given away from, in that I told. Third one is given be prepared. At the time of the earthquake, be prepared. Just be ready with your first aid box. You should also have the contact number of the fire brigade, ambulance, and other emergency services. If these type of safety measures will be followed by us, then during the tremor of the earthquake, we can protect ourselves. Why it is said to us to develop the protective measures during the earthquake? Because now we are going to see how a dangerous earthquake took place in our neighboring countries of the Himalaya, Nepal, in the year of 2015. That earthquake intensity was more than 7 on the Richter scale. Its origin place or epicenter was near to the Kathmandu, and because of this earthquake, the whole infrastructure of the capital city of Nepal, Kathmandu, was destroyed. This earthquake was measured 7.8 on the Richter scale. kilometers from its epicenter, the waves of this earthquake were felt. And because of this earthquake, many people died. It took place on 25 April 2015. Approximately 9,000 people died and many more suffered. Many countries of the world sent the rescue teams and other commodities in the form of the medicine, food and other to help this country. Our country India also sent the rescue team as well as various type of help in the form of the medicine, tent, cloth as well as the food stuff so that our neighboring country can survive. As this earthquake occurred after few days of this earthquake, once again a earthquake of a greater intensity on the Richter scale also felt in the same area, so it made a lot of loss to the life and property. So my dear students, this was all about chapter 3. Now we have finished our portion of the periodic test 1.